Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of La Joyta Creation Designs. I'm coming to you ladies and gentlemen today with a Dollar Tree haul, okay? From the big disappointment I had yesterday, y'all, Dollar Tree kind of made me happy today. All right, y'all, so we're going to go ahead and get into this haul. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into this haul. All right, so I'm going to start off with this book. I got this book from the Dollar Tree, and the thing that I like about it is it has like little sayings in here, things that make life sweet. Today I thought about, and then you just write your thoughts down. This is really cute, y'all. Dreams and goals for today. Anything is possible. Wow, y'all know I say that all the time. Things that make me laugh, random thoughts. But anyway, y'all, this right here, where it says chill out, this right here, it just caught my eye, so I had to get it. It was $1. Of course, y'all know I always talk about these t-shirts, right? So I had to get me some t-shirts. And I like the color that I like to get from the Dollar Tree is black, because I use a lot of black, do a lot of things with black. And so they had this white, and I was like, well, let me just get it. But the thing about it, I like these t-shirts because some of the t-shirts come like this, okay, down on the side, and I can't use those, but I can use these that don't have any of that, okay? So of course, you know, that was $1. So I don't know why I bought this right here. I think I bought it just for the sake of having it, because y'all know I'm always doing something. But they had these owls right here, and you get 5 in here. Is it 5? Yeah, you get 5. You get 5 little owls. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, y'all, but I'm gonna find something. And I'm not really a pumpkin. I'm not crazy about pumpkins. I like pumpkins, but I'm not crazy about them. I got this because of the leaves, okay? That is why I got these, because of the leaves. So I got 2 packs of these, 1 pack of these. I also want to tell y'all that every now and then they will have dowels. So I did get these dowels right here. I got these dowels, and you get 12 in here. And I use these dowels to make my, when I want to make my jump rings, I roll my jump rings, my wire on here to make my jump rings. But you can also use these dowels. You can make earrings with them. You can make earrings with them. You can make jewelry with them, period, if you want to. And I got me some thank you cards, because it's that time for people to be placing their orders. So I got some thank you cards. I got 2 packs. I love the Dollar Tree thank you cards, y'all. Their cards are, some of their cards are really, really nice. So I got 2 packs of these, 1 of these, and I also got this right here. And this they had some different ones. They had this one like with the boat, and then they had one where it like had fish, and it had like a seahorse and something else. And I just grabbed one of these because I'm like, I know I could do something with this. What? I don't know. And this is a boat, and I'm looking at this, but I'm like, I like how this look. It looks a little abstract. You can paint it, you can make it a pendant, you can pretty much do what you want to do with this. I thought that the way that it was shaped, it was cool. And I don't know if y'all remember a long time ago where everybody here on YouTube was making anchor earrings. Everybody was using these anchors to make earrings. But the thing I like about this is that it already have a hole up at the top. So you don't have to drill no hole. It's a nice size for those of you who want, who like big earrings. It's a really nice size. And you can do so much with this. You can paint it. You can put stickers on it. You can put fabric on it. You can really hook these up, y'all. Like really hook them up. Okay, the next thing that I found at the Dollar Tree was this right here. Now, I have been seeing a lot of people, of course, Jeanette from DOY Creation 7. I've been seeing a lot of people that crochet do videos where the Dollar Tree have the Dollar Tree and I think Aldi. Every now and then they have yarn. But look, when I saw this right here, look how gorgeous this yarn is. Now, y'all, I am not a crocheter, but my daughter crochets. I have tried it, but it does not work for me. Okay? So I applaud those of you who crochet. Like, y'all, the bomb.com. It's just not in me, y'all. And anyway, so I got this, and I really like this color. Really like this color. And I was like, I could probably make something from this. Because it's like a fishnet kind of sort of thing. So I'm like, I'm sure. So I'm going to try my hand at something, y'all. Y'all know me, right? So I got 2 of these. But last but not least, I got, this is like a little clay knife thing. And it's by, of course, Jot. And you get 3 pieces in here because I do work with clay. And so I was like, let me just grab this because I could definitely use it when I'm working with clay. But look, this is the kicker right here. And I'm gonna open this up. So I know that it's getting close to winter. Okay? And the summertime is just about done. But when I went in there and I saw these, I was like, For one thing, y'all, I like shells. I like any kind of shells. I haven't had a chance to work with shells like I want to because I've been doing so many other things. But when I went in there and I saw these shells, let me show you. Look at these shells. Look at that. I love shells. Look at these shells. The jewelry that you can make with these shells. The jewelry you can make, y'all, with these shells. And like I said, y'all, I'm making sure that I read the label. Okay, so these were made in the Philippines. Wow. But look at these shells. You can put shells on anything. Like when I say anything, anything. You can glue. And the thing about it is, I love coral shells, but I love shells just in general. I like how they're made. And these are really, and the thing about it, when I saw these, I was like, somebody had opened up a bag. And they opened up a bag and they did not, it was open. And I thought it was the only bag. But you know what they do with good stuff? They take the good stuff and they bury it. These, I got me 2 bags. They were buried underneath of the other shells, the other shells that they have. I've never seen these at the Dollar Tree before. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to get me 2 bags because I can make some beautiful jewelry with these. These can be painted. You can, if you don't know, you better ask somebody. Yep, so I got this whole bag here, y'all. So I got 2 bags. I got this bag and I got another bag right here. Yes, I was being greedy. And I think they had a couple more bags, but I love shells. I love shells. It's something about me and shells and nature, y'all. And like I said, I really haven't had a chance to work with shells too much because I've been doing so many other things. But I'm going to have to make something and bring it to y'all and let y'all see what I create. So that is going to do that's going to be my haul, y'all. If you are new to my channel, please, of course, subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell, that all bell that's on the side, so that when I upload more videos, y'all, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all so very much for all your support. Please like, give this video a thumbs up if at all possible, please. And until the next one, ladies and gentlemen, peace and blessings. See ya.